Did you freeze? You're so funny. Your tongue's gonna fall off.
I know.
What else could we experiment with?
Awesome. Watch out. It's cold, isn't it?
Don't scare me.
She burnt her fingers
scared
by
me.
holding it. Doesn't it break if you drop it on a hard floor?
It does. See if we can get it to break.
This is going to be all over YouTube. And then the three of us are going to be in the office. I'm going to say, are these your old wrinkly hands? And I'm going to say, mm-mm. No, I think there it is. Okay, there you go. See the demo. Scare me. Oh, that's pretty quick. Okay, what else do you want to do?
What else? Can you freeze paper? Is it that cold or no? What else can we freeze? Sarah, let's use your finger.
Use your finger.
It's like science. No.